Good morning, students. Once again, this is B. N. Jha welcomes you in the e-learning program of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, in our previous video, we have discussed about the process of rusting and methods to prevent rusting. Today we are going to know about crystallization. So, what is crystal? Crystals are the purest solid form of a substance with a definite geometrical shape. Purest solid crystals are the purest solid form of substances with a definite geometrical shapes. Students, there are so many examples of crystals. Crystals of copper sulfate, crystals of sugar, crystals of sodium chloride, that is common salt, crystals of potassium nitrate, crystals of magnesium sulfate. There are so many crystals you will find in your laboratory. How these crystals are obtained? These crystals are obtained from the saturated solution of the substance. This process of obtaining crystals from saturated solution of substance is known as crystallization. So crystallization is a process by which large crystals of pure substances are obtained from their salt solution. How do we get crystal of a substance? This is a process. We will take the example of the crystallization of copper sulfate and we will perform it. So, to obtain crystal of copper sulfate, we need a beaker, tripod stand, wire gauge, Bunsen burner, dilute sulfuric acid and copper sulfate powder, and we perform the activity like this diagram. We take a glass beaker filled with water. We take water up to 100 milliliter and add some dilute sulfuric acid into it. Then keep the beaker upon the wire gauge kept on a tripod stand and start heating. This is beaker, this is wire gauge, this is tripod stand, this is Bunsen burner. When water starts boiling, we add copper sulfate powder slowly while stirring it. We take a glass rod and stir the solution while adding copper sulfate powder into it, and we continue to add copper sulfate solution till copper sulfate particle is to dissolve in water. When copper sulfate particles begins to settle at the bottom of the beaker, we stop adding copper sulfate powder into it, and this will be a saturated solution of copper sulfate. Now let the apparatus be cooled down for considerable period of time. After some hours, you will find large crystals of copper sulfate at the bottom of the beaker. These crystals are filtered by the process of filtration using a filter paper. Then the crystals are dried, and thus the dry crystal of copper sulfate is obtained. Students, this process of crystallization is used to get the pure form of substance in which there is no impurity. So, crystallization is one of the important process in chemistry to obtain purest form of a substance in the form of crystal which has a definite geometrical shape. So thank you. See you next time.